This is a quick review of the Ubeesize affordable tripod found on Amazon. Let's get started. So when you get the package, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you everything that comes inside. So let's get started. First up is a phone mount. This fits pretty much any smartphone and screws on the top of the tripod. Next up will be the control for your shutter. It works for iOS and Android. That's what the two buttons are for. This is a GoPro mount. So if you have a GoPro, you can mount it on the tripod as well. And then you'll get instructions on how to use it. Shouldn't be too difficult, but I'll just show you anyway. And next up will be the paper on how to pair the controller to your phone. It's pretty straightforward stuff. And then the actual tripod is made of a lightweight aluminum, so it's not a plastic one. And I must say it's pretty sturdy. There's the top mount. And that's pretty much everything in the box. So let's go ahead and show you the lowest point of the tripod. I'm going to attach the phone mount. You can also attach a camera to this if you want to as well, but we're going to stick with the phone. And this is its lowest point, so it won't go any lower than this. As you see, that's a locking mechanism. And then here's where you can detach and raise up the tripod to different lengths, as shown. And this is its highest point right here. It's pretty high. It goes up to about like 5 feet or so. So it will pretty much fit any video application you're trying to use it for. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, back at its lowest point. You can also use that as a selfie stick. It's pretty sturdy, and honestly, it's worth the money. You can find this on Amazon. I definitely would recommend this as a buy. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about the Ubeesize tripod. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and stay tuned for more. Please like and subscribe.